Students, in this video I will do question number 21 of exercise 6.3. It is very important question. Find the equation of the normal to the curve, this curve, which are parallel to the line. Now what we will do, curve is given to us, we have to find the equation of the normal to this curve which is parallel to line. So we will take a point P x1 comma y1 which lies on this curve. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, let it be number 1. Let P x1 comma y1 lies on 1. Given line is x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0, let it be number 2. Now it is the general equation of the line, and when ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is the general equation of the line, then the slope of the line is minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. So slope of line 2 is minus 1 upon 14, minus coefficient of x is 1 upon coefficient of y is 14. Now differentiate 1 with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to derivative of x cube is 3x square and that of 2x is 2, so 3x square plus 2. Now what we will do, we will find out dy by dx, that is slope of the tangent at x1 comma y1 at this given point, which will be equal to 3x1 square plus 2. It is the slope of the tangent at this point 1. We need slope of the normal. Therefore, slope of normal to 1 at x1 comma y1 is equal to it is minus 1 upon slope of tangent, and slope of tangent is 3x1 square plus 2. So it is the slope of normal to 1. Now slope of normal to 1 is parallel to line. It is given slope of normal to 1 is parallel to line 2. Now you will apply the condition of parallelism, then slopes will be equal. Therefore minus 1 upon 3x1 square plus 2, it is the slope of the normal to 1. Now slope of normal to 1 is parallel to line. Slope of line is minus 1 upon 14. Since lines are parallel, so slopes will be equal, implies 3x1 square plus 2 is equal to 14. After cross multiplying, minus and minus sign will cancel. This implies 3x1 square is equal to 14 minus 2, that is equal to 12, implies 3x1 square is equal to 12, implies x1 square is equal to 4, which can be written as plus minus 2 whole square. Powers are same, you can equate the bases. This implies x1 will be equal to plus minus 2. Now when x1 is equal to 2, then y1 will be equal to 8 plus 4 plus 6, that is equal to 18. And when x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 will be minus 8 minus 4 plus 6 is equal to minus 6. Now from where this y1 and this y1 has come? Because this point P x1 y1 we have taken on this line, on this curve 1, so automatically this point will satisfy this. That is why we will get here y1 is equal to x1 cube plus 2x1 plus 6. So this we have got from there. Now corresponding values of y1 we have got. Therefore points are 2 comma 18, 2 and 18, and minus 2 comma minus 6. So these are the points that we have got. Now we need the equation of the normal. Therefore, equation of the required normal or normals are, because we will get two equations. Formula is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is equal to slope is minus 1 upon 14 x minus x1, and second will be y minus y1 is negative, is equal to minus 1 upon 14 x minus minus 2, again it is negative. So we will get cross multiply, we will get 14y minus 18 into 14 is equal to minus x minus into minus is plus 2, and from here we will get y plus 6 into 14 is equal to minus x minus into minus is plus, so minus 2. Now we will get here 14y minus, multiply this, 18 4s are 72, so 18 1s are 18 plus 7 is 25 is equal to minus x plus 2. Similarly, let us simplify this second part, that is 14y plus, multiply 6 4s are 24, so 84 is equal to minus x minus 2, implies 14y plus x, take it to this side and take 2 also to this side, so minus 254 is equal to 0, and here we will get take x to this side, so positive, plus 14 by minus 2 to this side, so plus 86 is equal to 0. So we have got x plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0, and 14y plus x minus 254 is equal to 0. So these are the required equation of the normal which are parallel to the given line. Thank you.